Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Jhds Development Society ringkat bat Jingïatreilang ke Khublei Germany mentaka kenti kelayo ban Plie pat ba ya ke wei ke Ïingskul bathamai ke badan pratali ki classroom Hatum Memorial High Secondary School Mooralong Jowai ya ke ni ke Ïingskul bathamai la Plie de ukongsan u Gerhard Albert badai u president ke Khublei Germany haka khat tarik uyayong arajar arpusau haringkat ke Jingïatreilang u Most Reverend Ferdinand de Kar Bishop ke Jowai Diocese u Additional Deputy Commissioner ke West Hills uba FB Basan u Director ke Jhds Development Society u Father Manbha Pakem uba D Lamare Secretary Supervisor Education Department West Hills u Father Martin Shala Vicar General ke Jowai Diocese kirang ba shnong ki phadar ki sister bat ki wede kinong shakhot sngobha haba ajingkran hakate ke Jingïatreilang usa Gerhard Albert ula ai ke Jingïaro ya ke Jhds Development Society ke School Managing Committee kinong hikai bat ki wede ki badan kti hakaban penyeng ya ke Ïingskul ula kenturu ya ki khana school makin pedan kam hok ya ke shlem jing hikai nak benta ke jingmentoi bat kalawei babha jongki ula pen pauru ya ke jingkermen bakani ke school kan yarap bat wan pen pha shu shu ya ke rukom hikai bat jingpule bakham shalor layo iki kentian mat phang halor ketika project na director ke Jhds u Father Manbha Pakem balapan syai halor ki kam bat ki jingtrei ki ba ke Jhds kalale banwanra ya ka roy kapar halor ki liang baro da ke Jingïatreilang ki babun ki kan hun tremon ngobha u Bishop jong ke Jowai Diocese u Most Reverend Ferdinand de Kar ulakan turu iki borkhmi jong ketika school bakin penlet jingmodru hakisap ki talen ki baki khana school ki don khnang banwanra ya ke jingroi jingpar habaro ki liang lapen phu pen pheng ru ya ke niga sngi da ke jingshat bat jingroi ba itanat balai shimenta da ki khana school jong ketika shlam ai jing hikai
What do you think you need for a school, to build a school? I suppose you would say we need sand, cement, water, workers. We have just seen you need an architect, you need plans, you need glass, windows, doors, desks, many things. But if you ask me what I need to build a school, well, not only a school, your own life, your association, what do you need? First of all, in my opinion, you need faith, you need hope, and you need love. And I think all these things together can make the best out of the world and the best out of a school, the best out of your own life.
To acquire knowledge and also to earn in your livelihood in the future. Kita dah ham kensting ya na kini ke kalau activities ki wa ai ki noi ka yepi ki humwa ko ai ki pi na di ni kita creativity le ka bo yepi di ba ublai lam je du pi kamajid ia ketinong hikai nagaliang nong hikai kamajid nagaliang is kitu gua pipe ia ga construction engineer kami tu kena gua sports gua haga jingga singing entertainment kamta make use of the best that our teachers are imparting to you so that you'll have a bright future and you can support yourself.